I want to start showing you how to post your grades. The third 9 weeks will be next Friday, April the 22nd. And so the first thing you want to do is log on to PowerTeacher. I've already logged on as a PowerTeacher. And then once you've logged on, you want to go to PowerTeacher Pro. So you're going to click to the left on PowerTeacher Pro. Usually the box at the top will default to your homeroom. So if this is your homeroom, you want to go ahead and select your homeroom, your gradebook to the homeroom. And just say, for instance, if we had grades in this course, once you selected your homeroom, you're going to click on A+ grading. Then under grades here, you're going to go down to traditional. And if you look on in our chart, you'll see student 0, quarter 3. So this class that I've selected, we don't have students, and it's perfectly okay. But if you would have students and grades in the course, you would see the grades here, listed here. So we're just going to pretend that the grades and everything is fine. Once the grades, you've looked over your grades, you want to click on Final Grade Status. We're going to click on Final Grade Status. And then the final grade status window will pop open and you'll see quarter 3 final grades are complete. You want to click this box right here on your right, and then you will click Save. So that's how you would need to post your grades, and you would have to do that for all of your classes. If you need any further instructions, just give me a call.